Hey everyone, welcome to I am Joseph, your ultimate guide to all you must know before signing up for any platform. I am Ayim, and in this very first video, I am introducing my brand new channel, sharing a bit about myself and explaining why you want to stick around to learn how to safely navigate platform, real ones, not fake. Let's dive in because this is gonna be super valuable. So who is behind this channel? I am Joseph, a safety advocate from Nigeria. I am passionate about helping people make smart, safe choices online. A while ago, I signed up on a platform that promised the world great futures, easy money, my bonus. Sound familiar? Well, it turned out to be a total scam, and I lost time and energy figuring it out. The experience light a fire on me. Since then, I've explored a tons of platforms. I have learned what makes a platform legit, the red flags to watch out for, and how to successfully sign up an account. Therefore, now I am here to share these lessons with you so as you can sign up safely with an account and avoid the traps I fell into. At this extent, some might ask, so what is I am Joseph all about? Alright, so this channel is your go-to resource for all you must know before creating an account on any platform. Whether you are joining a social media app or starting an online business or trying a new tool, this channel is here to help you avoid scam. My mission is to give you the knowledge to spot legit platforms, dodge fakes, and set up your account like a pro, saving you time, money, and headaches. Here is what you will get. I personally will cover a range of platforms. Each video will break down what to check before signing up, like security features, terms of service, and red flags for fakes. I will also share step-by-step guides to create account the right way, so you can start strong and stay safe. Some might be asking, why should I watch this channel? Okay, so signing up on this platform will help you to be able to spot legit site or platform, thereby minimizing the time spent on fake sites and also saving your money, time, and even your personal knowledge or info. By subscribing to this channel, I am Joseph, you will get practical tips to stay safe and succeed on any platform. I will share videos like how to safely join real platform in 2025 and reviews like, is this site or platform legit or a scam? Whether you are a beginner or a savvy user, my platform will help you make informed choices. Some might be busy procrastinating that what makes this platform or this channel different. Well, I'll tell you from the truth. What makes this platform different is because it deals with real advices based on my own experiences, both the wins and the scams I have dodged. I do the research so you don't have to, and I keep it straightforward and fun. No tech jargon, just clear tips. If you want to sign up on platform with confidence and avoid online scam, this is the right channel for you. So kindly hit the subscribe button. This is it for my first video. I am Joseph, and this channel is about all you must know to safely sign up successfully for platforms and avoid scams. I am trying to share tips to help you navigate the online world with confidence. If you are ready to stay safe and start strong, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss a single video. Drop a comment below. Tell me which platform you are thinking about joining, and I might cover it next. You won't want to miss it. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring. This is I am Joseph.